guys, welcome back. You will not believe what I found at the dollar store. Barbie color reveal. You know I love a good water reveal or a color reveal. And this time it's not an actual doll. It's a jewelry activity set. Reveal diamonds in water. And I believe it's a beaded necklace. I don't know if you bead it yourself. I don't know. Maybe you bead it yourself. But there are 5 surprises inside. And it looks like there's little Barbie gems. I mean, how cute is this? For, again, you're doing a gift basket for someone who loves Barbie. You have someone who just loves mystery bags and opening things. So cute. Sensory issues. And this was it was under $5 at my Dollarama, my local Dollarama, or in the States, you're 5 below. But I mean, how absolutely adorable is this? Like, it's really light. I believe this is where you put the water. It's a squeezy tube, so I'm hoping you don't put the water in this part because there's a seam. But I mean, how cute. For the Barbie lover or the Barbie fan in your life, this would be so perfect. You could put this in a Barbie gift basket. You could just give this as a Barbie gift. Christmas is coming. Birthdays are always happening. Maybe put it aside for Valentine's Day or Easter, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah. Does not matter what you celebrate. If there are gifts involved, this would be, at this point in time, perfect. I don't know. Maybe my opinion will change once we open it, but I am prepared. We have water. And because I can be messy, I brought, this is a huge Costco of paper towels. So let's get started. Oh, and I brought my scissors. Let's get this open. The paper towels just blowing around. I might not even need the scissors, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, look at that. There is a consumer alert. Oh, that's consumer information. Colors may vary. Okay. Colors may vary. Did I open it wrong? Oh, look at the top. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I opened it wrong. Would it surprise any of us if I opened it wrong? At this point in time, no. There's still stuff in there. Can you see that in there? What is that? Does this squeak? Oh, that is not fun. Oh, I do not like that. How do we get the instructions out? Oh my. Oh my. It's adult proof. There. I'm hoping this is the only plastic that we need. Stay off to the side. But do you see this? Shredded paper. Oh, I hate shredded paper. It gets everywhere. I mean, it's awesome and it's much better than plastic for gift bags, but ugh. All right. Ta-da! Let's see what we got. So, the water tube package. I hope I wasn't supposed to take it apart the way I did. The cord, the beads, and the charms. Okay. No, I did it right. You take it apart there. You dip your diamonds, and it reveals. I'm not putting the beads together. So, what do we have? 1, 2, 3. It says 5 surprises. 1, 2, 3. Well, where's my cords? Five surprises. 3 of these. Does mine not come? It's not in here. Where's my cord? 1 cord, 20 beads, and 3. Are they all in here? Remember how I said at the beginning this might be good? Let's start with the beads. What should we do first? Let's do the blue one. Let's do blue. Let's do blue. Okay. Cute. All right, all right. Dip it in. Okay. Let's just open them all. Now I'm excited. Okay. Pink is... Pink is the charms. Okay, okay. All right, now I'm back in a better mood. It looks like there's multiple. Look at my Barbie charms. Oh my gosh. You can make these into little earrings. Look, you can make those into earrings. Okay. Love those. Love them, love them, love them. Let's move this out of the way. Let's do the purple one. Oh, I think this is the beads. Oh, that makes sense. Look at it. I didn't read the again. Blue goes into the water. This one does not. That means, oops, look at my mess. This one is the beads. Okay. Am I right? Yeah. So there's the cord. Oh, it's got a nice stopper on it that you can string the beads. Okay. Win there. Win there. So this right here is 4 out of the 5. This right there is 4 out of the 5. Let's give this a little helping hand. Ooh, I made the water cold today. Ooh, I made the water cold. That is a little chilly on my fingers. Ooh, look at the purple. See, paper towel when you're dealing with water. So when you are doing this with the children in your life, or if you're like me and you're just doing this, make sure paper towel, because that will stain. I'm going to use my scissors. I'm just going to use my scissors and we're going to dry that off. Okay. Let's get that all clean. That alone. Look at the diamond. I like the diamond. How do we get it out? How does it open? The diamond does not open. It's a crown. So the diamond doesn't open. So literally, you design your jewelry. Follow instructions. You're supposed to open the blue one first. Are you? No. This shows that you're dipping it in with the cord, but if you open the blue one in part 2, there's no cord because this is saying part 3. Okay, I'm going to blame the instructions. Oh, so there's 3 different ones too. I really should pay attention. We got this one. This is the one that we have right here. And then there's these 2. That means there's so many. So then this doesn't open. This is a crown that, okay, I've changed my mind. We are making this necklace. Okay. We take the cord and you string the beads and look at the cord. Okay, let me just grab this one. Okay, here we go. Look, and it's an easy string. Okay, and it's rubbery. Ooh, okay. We might be back on a win with this one. So you're going to string them. This is actually then really good for kids because look at how easy I could just string that. And then when I put it in like that, it's going to clip. I get it. Okay. Then we put a charm. There goes a bead. It's rolling away. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Now we have that. And then we do some more beads. Let me grab this one. Light pink. I think I did this wrong. Whatever. Doesn't matter. You know what? It's make your own jewelry. Then goes this one. Okay, then more beads. I get this. Okay, so then this again, I'm back to thinking this is pretty cool. String the beads. Okay, and then you put the charm again. Okay, then you put more beads. I just put that charm backwards. Okay. Creativity, right? Do you know what, though? I'm really liking this. This would be fun for kids because think back. If you are a kid now or a child now, or younger, or you know someone younger in your life, or if you're an adult, think back to making jewelry. The hardest part is stringing the beads. The hardest part is tying it together. This clips. This actually clips. Look at how cute that is. Let me see. Can we get the beads on if we were to try to stick them on the other end? Look. You can't get them on the other end, so we can only go. I'm just going to throw the rest of the beads on this side then. And that means if I drop it, they're not going to roll off. Oh, how many times have you helped someone make a bracelet, or you've made a bracelet, a necklace, anything with beads, and then you drop the end? They don't come off. Oh my goodness, I had kids in mind with this. Okay. Win again. And now look, we'll just look how easy. And then it stretches. Okay. Oh my goodness. Mattel, Barbie, you've won me over. This is a win. Look at that. Okay. Obviously, you're going to want to change the beads and even them out. But look at that as a necklace. Look at how absolutely adorable this little craft is. I have to say, this win for me. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy this? I'd buy this again. I would buy this as a gift. This is a win. Thank you so much for following me. I will see you all next week.